My name's Alex Tholl. I live in Morristown, New Jersey, and I'm an industrial designer. I love my job, and I can't wait to tell you about it. I love my job because I get to help animals walk again using prosthetics. So in my job, I build prosthetics for animals that are missing limbs, mainly dogs. A perfect example is Sally here, who's missing her front right leg. Sally's only got 3 legs, and this makes it really tough for her to walk, and it also puts a lot of pressure on this front left paw. It can cause strains and injuries when she gets older. So what we do using 3D scanning and 3D printing is we take an image of Sally, we scan her whole body, we scan her torso, her sides, we bring that scan into our computer and we sculpt it digitally. We use a tool called Mesh Mixer that allows us to sculpt it as if we were using clay, but in the computer. We then get that file and we 3D print it, and it allows us to create a jacket for Sally. So we create something like this in the computer, right? It's super flexible, it's super strong, and we create a mounting point here so we can connect Sally's new leg. We slip her good leg through the good hole here, and then the rest of her body slips here, and you can see using 3D printing, we've created a new leg for Sally, and she gets a whole new leg here that allows her to walk. I didn't learn about this job until I was a senior in college. My high school didn't offer too much within prosthetics. I went for CAD design in high school and ended up going to community college because I didn't do too well in high school. I ended up really doing well in community college and studying industrial design, which is where I started to learn about all the different types of jobs that you can get within industrial design. You could become a sneaker designer, you could become a product designer and create home goods, you could go into prosthetics and healthcare, a lot of opportunities in industrial design. Once I graduated from community college, I moved down to Philadelphia to get my Bachelor's of Science in Industrial Design and Business at Philadelphia University, which is now Thomas Jefferson University. I own a business with my really good friend and partner, Adam Hecht. Him and I went to college together. So Adam and I started a business called DiveDesign, and it's a product design and development firm, and a good part of our business is designing prosthetics for animals that are missing limbs. So some of the materials that we use in my job are 3D printers, computers, all the tools you see back here, and a lot of other really cool devices like sanders, primers, we have a paint booth. We get a lot of fun toys in here when we're building prosthetics and building prototypes for our clients. There wasn't anyone specific in my life who inspired me to go into prosthetics. It was a combination of working with a really good friend of mine, having a lot of really great influences from my family and friends, going to classes during the day, doing well, getting good grades, and then going to networking events after helped me expand my network base of who I knew and who I could reach out to for new opportunities. My advice is don't let anyone tell you you can't accomplish something. I had a lot of people in my life tell me that building prosthetics for animals doesn't really work and it's not a good business to be in. I proved all of them wrong. My partner Adam and I created a really great business, and it's all from those people that told me I couldn't do this. I was driven. I didn't want to be defeated by them. Always try, even if someone says you can't do something. Work hard, do well in school, and prove everyone wrong, and prove them that you are the best you can be. I hope my little video inspires you to find a cool job that you can love for life. Bye, guys.